people, welcome back to my channel and happy December. I hope you guys are having a great winter so far. I am back today with a new video. I am doing the Unique Vintage Dress of the Month Club. This is my first time doing this, and if you don't know what it is, the Unique Vintage Dress of the Month Club is a subscription that you do through Unique Vintage, and you pay $50 a month, and for that you get a mystery dress delivered to you. I think it's a good deal because Unique Vintage is kind of pricey. Their dresses usually go from like $60 to $80, sometimes even $90, depending on what you get. So the fact that you get a $50 dress every month and it's a surprise, I think is a good deal. And I'm really excited to see what's in the bag, and hopefully I like the dress and hopefully it fits. You tell them your size, and then they send it to you. And the good thing about that is I feel like Unique Vintage sizing is pretty consistent. As you guys saw in my last haul, I did get one shirt that didn't fit me, but that was actually made by a different brand, so I think that's why. I'm usually an extra large in Unique Vintage, so I went with that. I told them to send me a 14, and I hope it fits, and I hope I like it. So let's open the bag and see what's inside. Okay guys, so now I'm going to open up the bag and we'll see what's inside. Hopefully it's a nice dress. I usually like everything they sell, so I don't really think it'll be ugly or anything like that. I mostly just hope that it's a color I like, and I hope that it fits me. As I mentioned, it is a complete surprise, and I have no idea what's in here. Well, so far I can see that it's green, which is cool. That will be a nice winter color, maybe something to wear for Christmas. It looks like it has a pattern too, so I'm interested to take it out and see what the heck this is. I didn't mention earlier, but I hope that it's a flattering style for me. If you guys have been following me for a while, then you know that I am petite. I'm only 5 foot tall. And in a lot of brands I am plus sized, so sometimes things don't look great on me. I hope this works. But the good news is if it doesn't work, I can send it back and they give me my money back. I just have to, they just deduct shipping, which sucks, but at least you get most of your money back. Okay, so yeah, this is a green dress, and I hope you guys can see it. It's probably hard to see, but it looks like it's velvet. So let's take it out of the bag and get a better look at it. Okay, so here is the dress. It appears to me that it is I'm gonna get a better shot of it too so you guys can see it. It looks like a 3/4 sleeve wrap dress that is emerald green with this really pretty kind of like floral design on it with like leaves, and it's almost like a French like fleur-de-lis print, I feel like. And I think it's a wrap dress. It looks like it zips on the back too. I think it zips all the way down the back. And it's actually really pretty. I like it, and let's try it on and see if it fits. I think it will fit because, as you can see, this material is very stretchy, so that's good. I actually hope it's not too big though, but let's throw it on and see what we think. Okay guys, so this is how it looks on. I like it, but I'm not in love with it. It is very low cut here in the front, so I think I'm gonna have to like pin it or something if I did wear it. I'm not really comfortable with how low cut it is. It does have these pretty buttons on each sleeve. And as I mentioned, I think it's supposed to be a half sleeve, but since I am petite, it's more like a 3/4 sleeve on me. I do like this material. I think that it's pretty and the design is pretty, but I'm not sure that this silhouette is super flattering for me. And also the dress is very long. It comes well below my knee, almost to my ankle. And I know that's because I am, as I mentioned, on the shorter side. But this is how the dress looks. I'm not sure if I'm going to keep it. Let me know what you think down in the comments. I may keep this one or I may send it back. Overall, it's pretty nice, and I think it's a good start for the Dress of the Month Club. I think it is definitely a solid first dress. Also, this is the back. As you can see, it zips all the way down. And as I mentioned, it is very stretchy, but I think it's a little, it's like very form-fitting, like throughout the waist here. which I guess it's supposed to be like that, but I don't know if that's like the most flattering for me. But let me know what you think. Well, let me know down in the comments what you think. Should I return this one or should I keep it? And I will see you guys next time. Bye.